Hello students, welcome again in my class. Today I am going to substitutions method related our exercise 3.3 remaining questions. Yes students, in exercise 3 question number 1 already I done in last video. So today I am going to exercise 3.3 continue question number 2. Question is that 2x plus 3y 11 and 2x minus 4y minus 24. Find the value of m, which y is equal to mx plus 3, already given. So first of all I calculate step 1 by substitutions method. So any one equation you choose, first either second, I go into second one. So this consider your equation number 1 and here consider it is equation number 2. So from 2, as you like students, any one you utilize 2x minus 4y minus 24. I think 2 common and here cutting out. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 24 by 2, which is how much? Yes, minus 12. And now separate x either y. So x is equal to 2y minus 12. That's my equation number 3. So step 2. Students, I go into substitutions method and there are 3 steps mainly. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Now here up to step 3, equation number 3, I go to step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to 2y minus 12 in the equation. Yes students, we start from 2. So putting in the first. So from first we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Apply the values, your x value 2y minus 12 plus 3y and easily you calculate our further steps. So here totally 4y, 24, 3y and 11 is as it is. So finally students, you getting here 4y and 3y, it is 7y and 24 move ahead, 11 plus 24, both are the adding. So how many getting it is? Yes, it is 35. So 35 by 7, you getting only and only 5. So this value y is equal to 5. You going now step 3. From 3, every time students step 3 you applying in the from 3. It is the best way. This is your from 3. X is equal to 2y minus 12. Put down the value here 5. So 10 minus 12. How much? Yes, it is minus 2. It means solution is done here from equation 1 and 2. But look at that. What is the further question? Find the value of m for this equation mx plus 3. It means students, here actually 3 lines intersect each other at a one point. See that, just going to drawing first of all. These are the 2 lines. Line L1 means equation 1, line L2 means equation 2, and both of the cutting point at that minus 2 comma 5. But third line is also passing through that. This is L3. It means this one according to given question, and this L3 line is y is equal to mx plus 3. Actually question meaning is that 2 lines passing through at a unique point and that point is passing through third line. Then you define value of m. It means nothing students. These solutions for L1 and L2. So here I just going solution of L1 and L2 lines. Just we have x comma y, which is minus 2 comma 5, and this point is already lies on the third line. It means passing through that L3. So also point, just here naming P passing through. Yes, L3 line, y is equal to mx plus 3. Just you put it x and y. What is the y? 5. X is minus 2 and plus 3, as it is easily calculations. So 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. You get 2. So how much m? Minus 2 by 2. Yes, it is minus 1. And here students, our whole numerical is easily over. One more time repeat. L1 and L2. To first of all I calculate substitutions method and solution derived. It means two lines are intersection, solution ready, minus 2 comma 5. And third line means third equation, according to our question, also lies on that same intersection points. That's why I just apply minus 2 comma 5 in this third line. Clear? And therefore you create your value, x putting, y putting, and finish the value, easily getting m is equal to minus 1. Sometimes students, fourth line also passing through that, fifth line also passing through that. Any lines passing through that are the point P. So you just one more question asking line L3, line L4. So you different line L4 also you passing through minus 2 comma 5. Clear? And that type criteria is given that it is a unique point P is a common intersection of all the lines. Yes students, here done student. In the third question, some word problems given, practical numericals. First of all, the difference between the two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them both. So I just suggest, suppose first number bx. Also assume here it is the largest one, because I just going to difference. And second number b y. Now read the first. Difference between two numbers is 26. So largest minus smallest, 26, statement 1. And secondly given one number, it means first number. Largest one is 3 times, read that, is 3 times the other one. It means 3 times other number. Other number means smallest number. So here x is equal to 3y. That is your statement number 2. And here our statement number 1. Now I go to method wise. Step 1. Yes. Any one equation you utilize. I go to second one is best. From 2. X is equal to 3y. Now step 2. Students, here making equation number 3 here, because already they separate value, no process for separating here. Now we substitute value of x is equal to 3y in the equation. Students, here we starting from equation number 2. So substitute in the equation number 1. This is the main step. So from 1, x minus y, 26. So what is your value for value? X, 3y minus y is equal to 26. Now 3y minus y, yes, it is 2y. So easily you done students, value for y. So 2y is equal to 26. Y become 13. Here your first value for y coming. 2y 26 divided by 2. Now I go to step 3. Just apply from 3. As you like students, either first utilize, second utilize, third utilize, all are the same answer coming. Now from 3, what is from 3? X is equal to 3y. Just put down 13 3s are 39. Yes. So here both number is ready, largest one and smallest one. Therefore required largest one, x already assume 39 and smallest number y. How much? It is 13. And here students, our one little practical numerical done. In word problem, must be students, you highlight your last answer compulsory. Okay. Now students, continue question number, our second one. First of all, read the questions. The larger of two supplementary angles. Students, you know supplementary angles? Yes, sum of the both addition is 180. Exceeds means it is more than by smaller one 18. And find out that both degrees. So suppose here larger and smaller angle are assumed. Suppose larger angle be x and smaller angle be y, where both are, yes, both are this one. Supplementary means what? Both are supplementary angles. That's why students, sum of the both angle is, you know that, how much? 180. Yes, always supplementary angle cover both addition is 180. And if you complementary, then 90. Now read next one. First angle, larger one, exceeds the smaller one by 18. It means second step I just going. Larger angle is equal to, how much exceed? 18 exceed. Here given that exceed means that is a more value. Succeed also that same result. If you presenting, then less value. So here smaller one, smaller angle. So larger angle, already I assume that x, smaller angle y plus 18, statement number 2. And now start our method. Step 1. Which method? By substitutions method. From, say, which equation you taking? Either first, either second, as you like. I start second one. From 2, x is equal to y plus 18. And that create equation number 3 because already separated. Now step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to y plus 18. Yes, in the equation, students, again remind, if you start from 2, then you substitute in the first one. Here first one I just going to. So from 1, what is from 1? X plus y is equal to 180. Apply that, your value is x. Y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180. Students, this value x I submitted here. So y and y, 2y, and 180 minus 18. Yes, how much? 180 minus 18. Yes, here are the 7, 10, here 2 and 6, 162 divided by 2. And you know that 162 divided by 2, it is a 2 4s are, sorry, 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. So it is a 81 y value. Continue. Step 3. From 3. What is the from 3? Here 3. X is equal to y plus 18. So y is a 81 plus 18. Just you getting easily value of x. It is 9 and 9. 99. Check. 99 and 81. Sure supplementary. 8 and 1 10. 1 carry. 10 and 180. Yes. Therefore, my last answer here I ending. I asking here largest one and smallest one. Therefore, largest angle x, how much? 99. And smallest angle y is equal to how much? It is 81. And that's are the our two answers. Easily done. Students, sometime in exam asking supplementary level, complementary asking. Then you taking here x plus y is equal to 90. Easily the process is done here, students. Correct? Continue, students. Same as coach of a cricket team buy 7 bat and 6 ball for rupees 3800, and she buys 3 bat and 5 balls for rupees 1750, and asking find out cost of each bat and each balls. So suppose cost of each bat is x rupees. I just assume that cost of each bat is x rupees and cost of each ball is y rupees. Now first line read total costing of 7 bat. So cost of 7 bat and 6 balls are how much? 3800 rupees. So here 7x plus 6y 3800, statement 1. Same as second one, cost of, just reading the second line, 3 bats and 5 balls are how much? 1750. It means here 3x plus 5y 1750, statement 2. Now students, 1 and 2, I just start the solution by substitutions method. So by substitutions method, in already asking in textbook questions, that's why I just go to here substitutions method. It's very easy. First of all, going to step 1, step 2, step 3. So what is our step 1? Yes, from, as you like students, either 1 utilize, either 2 utilize. I utilize second one. What is the second one? 3x plus 5y is equal to 1750. And now here students, you just separated x either y. I separate x value. So 1750 minus 5y. Yes, divided by 3. So 1750 minus 5y by 3. And here my equation number, it is indicate, yes, third one. Continue. Step 2. We substitute value of, students, method are same. Substitution value of x is equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3 in the equation. Yes, these are the main turning point. We starting from here 2, so substitute in the 1. Yes, here 1. And this solution is a bigger solution. So don't worry students, I going slowly from 1. 7x plus 6y 3800. Only this x value I just put down. So 7 into 1750 minus 5y by 3 and 6y as it is, and 3800 is also as it is. Students, here you consider it is 1. Only 3 multiply, LCM, easily getting answer. So 7 into 1750 minus 7 5s are 35y plus this 3 into 6, 6 3s are 18y, and 3 into 3800. Only I take down our LCM. Now students, I just calculate further by the product value. Easily you just apply one by one our product's value. So 175 into 7. Just I calculate into 7. 0. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 7s are 49. 50, 51 and 52. So here 2 carry, here 5. 7 1s are 7 plus 5 12. Means 1 2 2 5 0 minus 35 and 18. Yes, it is minus 17y. So these are the like terms. 18 and 35y. So minus 35 plus 18 minus 17y is equal to. This also I calculate 3800 into 3. So 0 0. 8 3s are 24. Yes, here 2 carry. 3 3s are 9. 10 and 11. So it is 11400. And these are the product. You create your easily solutions. So 12250 minus 11400 is equal to 17y. Now subtract from 12250 minus 11400. Only you subtract them. Here 0, here 5, and how much? 22 and 14, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, 850 total, because these are the subtract. And 14, 22 minus 14, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, so 850 is equal to 17y. Y become 850 by 17. And 17 5s, you know that. It means y value is ready. And this way I go to now equation number which? Yes, it is third one. So step 3. From 3. What is from 3? X is equal to 1750 minus 5y by 3. Just students, I apply my values. Y become 50 by 3. Easily getting answer. 1750 minus 5 5 is 25 by 3. And it is how much? 0 gone, 5 gone. Yes, 1500 by 3. It is how much? 5. 3 5 is 15. It is 500. Yes, cost of bat 500 and it is cost of ball. Each one is 50. So last I show out my answer. Cost of each bat is 500 rupees and cost of each ball is how much? 50 rupees. Students, this numerical is a IMP, yeah? Because in this criteria calculations are big solutions, students. So you properly calculate and easily you getting here totally 3 marks. Continue, students. One of the big sum, question number 3rd. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered for a distance of 10 km. The charge paid rupees 105 and for a journey of 15 km charge paid 155. And question asking what are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer. So students, you just highlight this line. What are the fixed charges and the charge for per kilometer. After that further question asking how many pay traveling for distance 25 km. That the next one. I just first follow these 2 lines. Suppose, yes, this suppose the fixed charge. Suppose the fixed charges be X rupees and second one charge per kilometer. Yes, charge per kilometer be Y rupees. These are our simple assumptions. Now first read. Taxi driver taking charge for a fixed charge is fixed X and with the charge for distance cover for 10 km. It means according to given, first of all read X plus means fixed charge plus 10 km. So 10 into Why? Because the extra traveling, after that paid how many rupees? 105. It means x plus 10y is a 105. That's my equation number first. And second read, after that for 15 kilometer he pay 155. So x plus 15 into y, it is an extra, is equal to how much? 155. So x plus 15y is equal to 155. Statement number 2. Now it's very easy. I go to equations wise in the solutions. So step 1, by substitution method. From which equation taking? First or second? I think so. First or second, anyone taking? I taking first one. X plus 10y is a 105. And just carry forward x side and y one side. I just taking here x one side. So 105 minus 10y. And that is my equation number 2. Sorry, 3. Now step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Yes, 105 minus 10y. I started from first. So students, apply in the second one in the equation number 2. And what is the 2? From 2. Our from 2 equation is this. X plus 15y is equal to 155. Only apply their values. X, these are the 105 minus 10y. Here 15y same and 155 is as it is. Students, very easily, yes, easily you define your value, because 105 minus 10y plus 15y, how much this one? It is 5y. And here 155 minus 105 is as it is. Now how many? 155 minus 105? Yes, it is only 50 rupees. Yes, so both are the calculate. Y become 50 by 5, which is 10. So students, here up to 10 is that over, and here are the values. Y is equal to 10 rupees. Now continue this y, students. After the step 2, I going to step 3. Yes, these are the question number. So step 3, just going I from 3. What is the third equation? This one. X is equal to 105 minus 10y. Students, just I apply our 10 with our y value. How much? It is 10. So 105 minus 100. Yes, x is equal to 5 rupees. It means a taxi driver taking the first fixed charge at entering this taxi 5 rupees, and per kilometer it is 10 rupees. So after that I ending my sum. My answer is a fixed charge. How much? X is a 5 rupees, and a charge per kilometer, it is y. How much? It is 10 rupees. Students, up to that is over. But read the question. How much does a person have to pay traveling a distance of a 25 kilometer? Yes, students, it is a 25 kilometer. Now students, read our last line. How much does a person have to pay for traveling rupees distance of 25 kilometers? It means fixed charge known 5 rupees, 10 rupees per kilometer. It means if he travel 25 kilometer, then total cost, yes, fixed charge 5 rupees plus 25 kilometer up to 10 rupees. So 5 plus 250, they get 255 rupees is a total charging pay for this traveling for our 25 rupees. I mean 25 kilometer. Yes students, here our big numerical is easily done. Continue students, one more numerical, fifth one. Our fractions become 9 by 11 if 2 is added both numerator and denominator. Second, 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Fractions become 5 by 6. And find out what is the fractions. So generally students, in fractions they have the numerator and denominator. So I start. Suppose our numerator be x and denominator be y. Always a fraction made by numerator upon denominator. Therefore, original fraction, it is numerator upon denominator. It means x by y. This you first of all, you just starting from this sum. Now, see the question. Fraction 9 by 11, 2 added, means now 2 is added in both numerator and denominator. Then fraction become how much? 9 by 11. So x plus 2, y plus 2. 9 by 11 is as it is. Now students, cross multiply. This 11 multiply here, 11x plus 22. And 9 also multiply, 9y plus 18. So 11x minus 9y, it getting 18 minus 22. You easily getting here one little equations. And check how much it is the equations. 11x minus 9y and 18 minus 22, 2 and 2, 4. It is minus 4. Equation number first. And read next. 3 is added, both numerator and denominator. So, and 3 is added in numerator and denominator. We get, yes, what you get? We getting this are the 5 by 6 here. So, x plus 3, y plus 3. Here just apply, your value is 5 by 6. Students, here also cross multiply. So, 6x plus 6 3s are 18. 5y plus 5 3s are 15. Only you getting 6x minus 5y. 15 minus 18. Yes, and it get only and only minus 3. Here your equation number 2. And now students, both of the, I start our substitutions method calculations. And easily you getting x and y values. Yes students, x and y values. So here start step 1. By substitutions method, we taking, say equation 1 is best or 2 is best. Anyone apply. I going to second one. We taking from second equation 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3 and separate to x 5y minus 3. Yes, x is a 5y minus 3 by 6. That one your value is only for x. Statement number 3. And students, I go to now step 2. What is step 2? We substitute. Yes, value of x is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6, this value in the equation. Yes, which equations? Because I started from here second, so apply in the first. So from 1, what is your from 1? 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 11x is known, 5y minus 3 by 6. And students, here your little calculations available in this way. So finally you just calculate, multiply by here 6, here 6 LCM, and here 11 multiply. So 11 5s are 55y, 11 3s are 33, 9 6s are 54y, and 6 4s are 24. Now like term you added 55y minus 54y, it is y only. And 33 minus 24, yes, how much? It is a 6 7 8 9. These are the y is equal to our 9 value. Now step 3. Students, step 3 going to from 3. And third equation you know, x is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. And this y value, students, happily I put it here. X is equal to 5, y is 9. And how much? 9 5s are 45. Minus 3, 42. Yes, 42 by 6, it is a 7. So, therefore, required original fraction. What is the fraction? Numerator by denominator means x upon y. Our x value is known 7. Y value is also known 9. And these answer, students, here 7 by 9 is happily and easily here done. One more numerical, students. Question number 6. 5 years hence, it means in future tense, age of Jacob will be 3 times that his son. Yes, students. 5 years ago, Jacob was 7 times the age of his son. It means one of the Jacob and his son. So, suppose present age of, first of all I asking that Jacob be x years. Present age assume and continue. Present age of his son be y years. Yes, students, one of the his son. So 5 years hence, it means in the future tense, age of Jacob will be x plus 5 years. And second, age of his son will be y plus 5. These are the two criteria after 5 years. Hence 5 years I just going. Now read, Jacob will be, it means this age. X plus 5 will be, how much? It is 3 times his son. So 3 times his son is what? Y plus 5. So you getting x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. Only you rearrange. It is 15 minus 5 and you get easily. It is one equation. Yes, students. Now read about to second line. 5 years ago. It means past tense. Students, in past tense as going 5 years ago. These are the age of Jacob was how much? Present age is x. Before 5 years, yes, 5 years ago, it is x minus 5 years. And age of his son was y minus 5 years. Students, before 5 years, I just going Jacob was 7 times. It means Jacob age 7 times his son age. And here also you going to one again equations. It should be 7y minus 35. So x minus 7y is equal to 5 minus 35. How much? It is minus 30. And here statement number 2. And that is your 1. Now I start, students, our method for substitutions. main important this equation derived, and that much is very easily calculations for before 5 years and after 5 years, students. Now I go to one of the equations. Here first equations. Yes. Now students, I go to method substitution step 1. Either this first equation utilize, either the second equation utilize. So from anyone you start, first either second. I go to first. X minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. Just separate the x. 3y plus 10. And here take out equation number, yes, 3. Now step 2. We substitute value of x is equal to 3y plus 10. Yes students, x is equal to 3y plus 10 in the equation number. We starting from here first. Yes. So applying the equation number 2. So from 2, what is the second? X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. X I know, 3y plus 10. The same, just I calculate the further solutions. So here getting 3y and 7y minus 4y. And here minus 30. 10 right side moving, minus 10. So minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Minus minus gone. Y become only 40 by 4, which is 10. And here your step 2 also done. Now students are going to step 3. It is from 3. What is the from 3 equations? Yes, x is equal to 3y plus 10. Just you apply y value 10. You getting the answer. It is 30 plus 10. Then getting how much? Yes, 40. So last declared our final answer for this numericals. Students, lastly show out your final terms. Therefore, percentage of Jacob is x. What is your x answer? 40 years. And percentage of his son, it is y years. And what is the y? 10 years. So that's are the two your final answer, students. And easily this exercise students here done. Only I present age suggestions Jacob x. After that future tense 5, back 10, past tense minus 5 applying, and the equations easily cover in the present ages. Yes students, here our this exercise done, and this part is also done. Further explanation students I explain in the next part. Thank you. Bye.